In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of chamomile tea and its myriad health benefits. Revered for centuries for its calming properties, chamomile tea offers a multitude of benefits for both mind and body. Before we dive into the heart of our topic, we encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on healthy living tips. Don't forget to check the link in the bio for more insightful content. Now, let's unveil the secrets of chamomile tea and how it can enhance your well-being. What is chamomile tea? Chamomile tea, derived from the flowers of the Matricaria chamomilla plant, is herbal tea known for its gentle, soothing qualities. Unlike black or green teas, chamomile tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it a perfect beverage for relaxation and stress relief. The tea is prepared by steeping dried chamomile flowers in hot water, resulting in a light, flavorful infusion that carries a multitude of therapeutic properties. Who shouldn't drink chamomile tea? While chamomile tea is safe for most, certain individuals should approach with caution. Those with allergies to plants in the daisy family, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and individuals taking blood thinners or sedatives should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating chamomile tea into their regimen. Additionally, individuals with a history of hormone-sensitive conditions, such as certain types of cancers or severe endometriosis, may need to avoid chamomile. This is because chamomile contains certain compounds that could potentially influence estrogen levels. As always, it's crucial to prioritize safety and consult with a healthcare provider to understand how chamomile tea might interact with specific health conditions or medications. How long before bed should we drink sleep-inducing tea? To harness chamomile tea's sleep-inducing benefits, it's recommended to drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. This timing allows the body to absorb its calming properties and facilitates a smoother transition into sleep. Furthermore, establishing a nightly routine that includes chamomile tea can enhance its effectiveness as a sleep aid. The psychological association between the ritual of drinking tea and preparing for bed can reinforce the body's natural circadian rhythms, signaling that it's time to wind down. This ritual can become a powerful tool in your sleep hygiene arsenal, making chamomile tea not just a beverage but an integral part of a holistic approach to improving sleep quality. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or any questions. Turn on notifications to never miss out on future content aimed at enhancing your health and well-being. For more healthy living tips, don't forget to visit the link in our bio. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.